Okay, 14 RS5. I'm gonna do the combi valves here. They're making squealing noise, and I'm gonna show you how to replace them. It's real quick with a 230. You got one here, one here. Okay, the screws out. Okay, they pop right off. You squeeze these tabs here. Okay, unhook them from here. Get this one out. Okay, already got the new ones. Okay, let's put the new ones in. Okay, pop them in. Lock them in here, this bracket. Okay, get the other one in. Pop it in there. Done. Hook them here. Here. Okay. These are hand tight. Be careful not to break them. Okay. Okay. That's one. Get the other one in. Has a little bracket there. Okay. That's that, guys. Both of them are in. Okay, now you just gotta clear the 4 codes and drive it. Okay, done. Guys, thumb up if you like the video, subscribe if you haven't.